Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is to get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, with news this week brings the final chance by central banks to tackle inflation for 2022. We'll hear from the US Fed, the Bank of England and the European Central Bank, all wrapping up their 2022 positions. Over the weekend, China said its CPI inflation fell to 1.6% in November from 2.1% in the prior month. This shift lower was as expected. It was their lowest level since March, mainly due to a sharp fall in the cost of food, rising 3.7%, which was down from the 7% rate in October. A lot was due to pork prices, which eased further after authorities released national reserves into the market. Beef and lamb prices changed little in November. Milk prices eased up slightly. On the factory front, producer prices are deflating now in China. They fell at a 15% annualised rate in November to a level pegging it with year-ago levels. That is 2 consecutive months of sharp deflation in their PPI, and it's hard to see it ending anytime soon. Also over the weekend, American producer prices rose a bit more than expected, but they rose at an annualised rate of just 3.6% in November to be 7.4% higher than a year ago. Both are lower than the 8.1% year-on-year rise in October. Improving is the mood of American consumers, at least according to the widely watched University of Michigan survey. It also reported lower inflation expectations. These were improvements that weren't expected. The US Treasury 10-year yield starts today at 3.59% and up 6 basis points from this time Saturday. And the price of gold will open today at $1,798 an ounce and down $2 from Saturday. A week ago it was $1,796, so little net movement from then. And oil prices start today up 50 US cents. At just on $71.50 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is $76.50 a barrel. These are down $10 from a week ago and are back to year-ago levels. In fact, the first time they were at these levels was in 2006. And the Kiwi dollar will open today at 64.1 US cents, a little change from Saturday. Against the Australian dollar, we're still firm at 94.4 Australian cents. Against the euro, we're still at 60.9 euro cents. That all means our trade weight index starts today at 72.5 and little changed. Get more news affecting the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.